Well, the height of mosquito season is here, and we continue on World News to look for ways to save your family some money. And we spend so much on those candles, the zappers out there, but it turns out there might be something you already have that works. ABC's Lindsay Janis with us live tonight. And Lindsay, we can't wait for this.
David, we are out here at prime time for mosquitoes. The sun is setting. It's also the worst month of the year for bites. And for all the money we spend trying to keep them away, it turns out some of the best methods are also the cheapest.
Everyone has their own method.
We have a lot of mosquitoes.
Sprays and zappers, homemade traps.
And it's a fan trap.
Witch's brews of oils and alcohol.
Some clove oil.
Even this woman putting scented dryer sheets in her hair.
I'm getting ready to go outside.
A dizzying array. So enter mosquito expert Randy Gogler. It turns out mosquitoes can smell you. And yes, it's true, some people are more attractive than others. It has to do with body chemistry. Most attractive?
If you're pregnant, you're giving off 21% more carbon dioxide. Also, your body temperature is 1.5 degrees higher. There's new evidence that's showing that drinking beer makes you more attractive.
Yes, beer. There's also the delicious theory that it could even be your blood type. So what are the best weapons to avoid getting bitten?
Bug spray.
If it has DEET in it, highly effective.
We tried it.
Okay.
This is my hand unprotected, swarmed. Versus this, my hand sprayed with DEET. And be sure to cover your legs and especially your ankles. Some mosquitoes are low flyers. And what about those candles?
Citronella?
Citronella has limited effectiveness. The issue with that is its effect is short term, and if you happen to have a breeze that's blowing away from you, it's not going to be very effective.
Finally, instead of spending a lot of money on bug zappers and ultrasonic devices, you might already have a more simple weapon in your house. A fan. Turn it up, sit in the path, it works. Mosquitoes aren't strong flyers.
So another way to protect your backyard, make sure you don't have any standing water. Stay on top of your gutters. Also empty things like children's pools or bird baths. And one more thing, David, when you go outside, avoid wearing dark colors because mosquitoes see them the best.
All right, but I'm still stuck on the beer and your blood type. I always wondered why they came after me and not everyone else. So lesson learned. Thanks, Lindsay.